Hi, I'm Mr. Levier, and today I'm going to tell you about nature journaling. So, what can you do when you create a nature journal?
Hey, Jim. Yeah, what? Let's make a nature journal.
So, what is nature journaling? It is a regular recording of observations, perceptions, and feelings about the natural world around you. There are multiple techniques used to complete this process. Photography, poems, art, bark and fossil rubbings, diary-style notes are all ways to build a document of memories. Necessary for success is the freedom to welcome new discoveries when they happen. The appeal of nature journaling throughout history has been its flexibility. People would enter lists of birds during certain seasons. Some counted insects in a square yard of a field. The Reverend Gilbert White, 1720 to 1793, was a pioneering English naturalist who transformed the way we look at the natural world. His lifelong love and talent for observing and recording nature influenced Charles Darwin, among many others. White is best known for his book, The Natural History of Selborne. He didn't just watch wildlife in its natural habitat, he made notes on everything from migration patterns of birds to the flowering times of plants. Charles Darwin, 1809 to 1882, transformed the way we understand the natural world with ideas that were nothing short of revolutionary. He and his fellow pioneers in the field of biology gave us insight into the fantastic diversity of life on Earth and its origins. Darwin's observations and journaling led him to ideas on natural selection and evolution. Nature journaling includes scientific observations, creative and technical writing, layout and presentation of ideas, perception and analysis, questioning and inventiveness, reflection, meditation, focus, greater appreciation of nature, finding your own voice, ability to express yourself. Here is a nature journaling web. Earth science, wildlife, weather, rocks, minerals, ecology, observing, identifying, measuring, comparing, listing. Language arts, written poetry, nonfiction, oral description, problem solving, communication, listening, group communication, group learning, oral learning. Social studies, local history, natural and human communities, environmental health, and map making. Physical education, walking, exploring, outdoor learning, hiking. Mathematics, measurements, charts, graphs, maps, computations. Art, eye-hand skills, self-confidence and social skills, learning to compose work, observational drawing versus imaginative drawing, art expression. It is time to make a nature journal.
Hey, you looking at me? Hey, you looking at me?